Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Uber Eats for grocery delivery. So in order to do this or to use Uber Eats for a grocery delivery, you just have to follow the steps. So first thing first, open up a browser and you could go to ubereats.com/delivery shop and pay. So click on the sign up button and start creating your account. So I'm gonna go with sign up for driver and delivery. Now either you could manually enter in your information or you could continue with your Google account. In my case, I'm gonna go with the email address. So I'm gonna type in that. So now that you've logged in, what you need to do is you need to enter your password. So if you know it, type in that and tap the next button. If you happen to forgot your password, then click on forgot my password and a 4-digit code will be sent to your email address, so go ahead and check that out. So after you're logged into your account, then you'll be taken to the home page where you need to go ahead and then tap on the menu bar and go to the page where you have to go and enter your delivery address to find a grocery delivery option near you. Then you can browse the option and choose a place to confirm the order and then go ahead and place the order as well. Now, grocery delivery options may vary by location within cities, so sometimes cities also offer the options to pick up your order. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.